Hello, and my name is Instructor Powell. Today we're going to go over a little simple task today of adding text to a Adobe Photoshop CC photograph. We already have our photograph pulled up here. We want to go ahead and make sure we're on the correct layer. We want to add the text to. Of course, we only got one layer there, so we're good there. Let's go ahead and minimize that, and I'm going to go over here to the toolbar, and we're going to look for the one that has the text. That's that one right there, and it gives you two options here. You got horizontal type tool, and you also got a vertical type tool. We're going to go ahead and choose a horizontal type tool. Let me go ahead and open up our window, create our window for our text, and we're going to just type yellow is our favorite color. Okay. All right, we got our text there. You can also, if you want to, you can decide to give that, set that text to your own type of style. We have a lot of different styles there. We can just go down through some of them. I like the Century School book. We'll go ahead and grab that one, put that on there, and you can also decide whether you want to, if you want to give it a regular type of print, or italics, or bold italics. Now, some of the scripts or styles of that you pick won't have those options for bold italics and such. So you have to make sure, if you want bold italics, you have to choose one of the options that give you bold italics. We can also add a warp effects on there if we want to. If we open that up, we go ahead and give it a warp text effect. We can get an arc, upper, lower arc. You got a lot of different ones you can do. We're going to go ahead and choose arc, and we're going to go ahead and say OK. Let's go ahead and give that a color. If you want to give it a different color, you can do that too as well. Give it a little different sort of shade of white. Go ahead and say OK. And let's also go ahead and move that down, because right now we can't see it on our photo. So let's move it down. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And we can also, like I said before, we can move it down if we want to. You can go ahead and move that down a little bit if you want to do that as well. And then once you get done, voila, it's good. Looks like we got our thing set, and we got our text on there. You can also give it a 3D style. You can center it to the right, you can center it to the left, you can center it, and you can also have a bunch of other options there as far as point size. You can do that as well. But that's pretty much takes care of our problem for the day. I look forward to working with you again on another Adobe Photoshop CC problem.